Welcome back to And This Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to automatically split recordings by length and size in OBS. Let's begin. Now, if you haven't already, download your OBS Studio application and select your operating system. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, by automatically split recordings by length or size in OBS Studio, it can significantly enhance your workflow and the manageability of your video files, because larger video files can be too difficult to handle and prone to corruption. So splitting recordings ensure that each segment remains within a manageable size. Now, for that to be able to happen, I need you to click on the file and I need you to click on the settings. And of course, I need you to click on the output. All right. And from here, now once you are inside the settings, all you're going to do is hover to the recording tab. And there's going to be a section that says automatic file splitting. All right. I need you to click on it. And from here, you can split by time, by size, or only split manually. We are going to explore all of these options. Now, if you split by time, all right, you have an option to let's say maybe 15, 20, like maybe a 30. It doesn't matter, 40. So it's up to you. Like let's check for the 20 for now. But be mindful that there's a warning notif at the bottom. Recording saved to MP4 MOV will be unrecoverable if the file cannot be finalized as a result of all of these. All right, if you want to record multiple audio tracks, consider using MKV and remix the recording to MP4 MOV after it is finalized. All right, now if you wanted to automatically split the file by size, you can set in a number like 2048 MB, like 1000. So it's up to you. All right, it's up to your comfort level. It's basically it's all the same thing. Now, in terms of splitting manually, all right, the thing is you would be given here another option at the bottom. Rate control, which is CBR, CQP, VBR, or lossless. In terms of the CQ level, it's up to you on you wanted to put some values here plus the keyframe interval. The preset is best quality, lower quality, lowest quality, and a lot more. In terms of the tuning, you can choose the high quality, low latency, and ultra low latency, plus the multipass mode. All right, single pass, two passes. So if you have the technical expertise, you might want to dive deep into the settings and tweak the settings according to your preferences and comfort level. In the profile, you can click on high or main or baseline. And basically after doing so, just click on apply and click on OK. Now, I'm not going to save this. You see, you can go to the settings at the upper left corner, or you can simply hover here at the bottom right corner. It's the same thing because you would be able to go to the output setting once again and go to the recording tab. And again, you can automatic file split again by time, which is from 15, 20. It's up to you when you want to put the values here. You can again split by size, or you can again split but manually. All right, after doing so, just click on apply and click on OK. And of course, by utilizing the automatic splitting here in OBS by length or size, you can enhance file management, improve editing efficiency, and ensure a more organized and manageable workflow. This approach can lead to better performance, easier sharing, and greater flexibility in handling your video content. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.